In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and adjust video clips using CapCut. Whether you're creating engaging content for social media or editing a personal project, getting comfortable with these basic yet essential editing techniques will help you on your way. So let's dive right in. Once you have your video clip loaded on the CapCut timeline, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the clip you want to duplicate. Bring your cursor to the timeline and hover over the clip. This is where your mouse skills come into play. Right-click on the clip. You'll see a menu pop up with various options. Now, to duplicate this clip, you'll want to select the Copy option from this menu. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can also achieve this by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Once copied, you'll need to paste the duplicate onto the timeline. To do this, either go back to the right-click menu and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. And there you go, your duplicated clip should appear right after the original in the timeline. At this point, you have two identical clips lined up back to back. It's entirely up to you whether you want to leave them in sequence, separate them, or place them elsewhere. This simple duplication method can be incredibly useful when you want to repeat certain parts of your video, perhaps for emphasis, or to maintain a rhythm in your editing. Once your duplicate is created, you might want to adjust its duration. This comes in handy if you're trying to create effects or simply just trimming to fit your video's flow. Again, direct your attention to the timeline, where both clips are now located. Click on the edge of the clip you want to adjust. You'll notice that the cursor changes to indicate you can now drag that edge. Simply click and drag the edge of the clip to shorten or extend its duration as per your needs. It's a straightforward drag and drop action, but be mindful of the overall timing of your video. Each second counts in maintaining viewer engagement, so tailor the duration wisely to suit your storytelling. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated and adjusted a video clip using CapCut. These efficient techniques are foundational to your editing process, enabling you to create dynamic content with ease. Take a moment to experiment and see how these tools can fit into your creative vision. Thank you for watching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and editing your videos, and soon it will become second nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!